Okay guys, last time I did this, you guys loved it so much, so I decided to come back again and do another one. So are you guys ready? It's Temu time. So Temu is a marketplace that has one of the most competitive priced products in multiple categories, and right now they're doing the spring sale promotion. So for the springtime, Temu is running a massive, oh my goodness, site-wide sale of up to 90% off. And one thing I love is that you can find the link below for items I'm going to show in this video and use a code, 30% off code, and you get free shipping, free returns for up to 90 days. They also accept major credit cards, debit cards, electronic payments, and pay later programs like Okay, let's cut up the package. You guys know I am so excited. I've been holding up from y'all. I've been waiting to do this. So let's unbox my Temu. My daughter ordered something and she's been waiting on me to show this unboxing because she wants her stuff. My husband today like, when are you gonna do the unboxing? When are you gonna do the unboxing? I'm like, you guys, don't rush me, don't rush me. So what did I get? So here the stuff that I got outfits now. So I'm going to be showing you, let me move aside. So I'm going to be showing you the outfits and also showing you what they look like on me. And yeah, so the first outfit that I got from Temu, I got this. And this is a shirt. It's good quality. It's not like flimsy. It's good, nice material. It's not too light and it's not too thick. It's perfect for the summer weather. So it's just a t-shirt, very nice with this sleeves, colored sleeves, white and blue. Absolutely like the v-neck area that it has. I love it. So the next apparel that I also got was, drum roll please, I also got this. It's kind of similar, but it has like a brown on top and also this faux, it's like a pocket. It is a pocket, so a small pocket, something very easy and very lovely summer to wear. This is also good for the spring. I think the material is heavy enough for spring. Good material. Is it stretchy? Yeah, it's a little bit stretchy, which I absolutely love. The other clothing is, I think I got this, and I don't have a lot of prints that are colorful. This is like, what material is this? I'm not sure what the material is, but it feels as if it's like polyester, but it's a long sleeve shirt. I'm gonna try it on and show you what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. The prints are so beautiful and so durable. I love it. And I also got, let me see, I think I got other clothing. Yeah. So I also got some other things. So we're just gonna dive in, and if I pick up a clothing, you know how I do, I dig and I pull out. That is how I do it. So let's dig and pull out. Okay, so the next thing that I also got from Temu, I love their bags. Their bags I reuse. Please don't throw away these bags. These bags are so good. I reuse them. I even use them as gifts for people. So I got this to make meat pie. It's like an empanada maker. So all the things that I get from Temu, I always do like YouTube shorts or a reel, Instagram reel or TikTok. So please follow me on those pages. You can click on my bio in the description area. Please, you can also find the Temu discount code in the description area. I put the discount code, the link. Please use the discount code, the link. So this is empanada meat pie. You can use it to make meat pie. So it looks like this, and you put it down like this, and you can make the meat pie, little bitty meat pies with this. I absolutely like it. It also comes with other gadgets in there. All this stuff, you get a 30% off discount for your first order. 30% off. This stuff are very affordable. All the stuff I got, I think they were like $1, $2, $3, whatever. I'm gonna be putting the price on all the products as I show them. So the other thing that I got, I don't know what this is. The bags are so big. These bags are amazing. Oh yeah, I got this for my daughter. My youngest daughter, she loves pink. So I got this for her. I'm sure she won't mind me unboxing it for you guys. And it's like a purse. So this is the purse. So this will be so good for your little ones, but my daughter wants it. My youngest daughter wants it. It's a keychain. It has a keychain. It has a handle, and it has a zipper area where you can open up and put your coin, like coin change. So she wanted it and she got it. I think the pricing is ridiculous, you guys. And you guys were asking me, why is it so cheap? Why is it so? It's because they don't have that middleman to mess up, you know, increase the price. You know, when you bump up all the middle shenanigans, the prices go down, trust me. So I got another shirt. You guys are gonna like this shirt. I love yellow. That's why I wear a lot of yellow. This one says melanin. I got a melanin shirt. It is so beautiful. I love the size. I wear a size medium, and their sizes, as you can see, is true to size. Okay, so what else is this? Ooh la la. If you have not shopped on Temu, you are missing out. I decided to get this purple number. So this one has lace on the side. Very, very beautiful. And it has shows off your shoulder, and it's really beautiful. The length is true to length. I absolutely love it. I love how soft it feels. And let's dig in to get the next thing. So the next thing, oh my gosh, this is big. This is big. Oh la la. So the next thing that I got is, this is a fabric iron. I'm going to be traveling very soon, and I want to have my own garment iron. I'll show how to use this, of course, on my shorts. I'm going to show you how I use it. But this is a garment iron. It's a travel iron. Look at the size. It's this size. So you just use it, and it has a cover, and you just use it to iron your clothes. Very good. You can just pack it into your luggage. It doesn't take much space. Very, very nice. And it also has water that you can use to pour water. It's a steamable iron. This guy, look how small it is. Yeah, amazing. I can't wait to pack and tell you guys where we're going. Okay, so other things that I got, this is for my daughter. She is this building blocks. It's for succulents, and they have different, I'm not gonna open it, but they have different succulents, different building block, and you kind of just assemble them like cactus and all this stuff. This is for, I'm not gonna open it because there are too many pieces in there. My oldest daughter decided to get jewelry this time. Okay, so she got a whole bunch of rings, what else? She got some fake nails. My oldest daughter is a teenager adult. She's 18, going to be 19. So she got some fake nails from Temu. So yeah, oh my goodness, we got so much stuff. Let's see what else. And all this stuff, if I tell you it didn't cost me, I don't want to, I'll tabulate how much everything cost me, but I bet you it didn't cost so much. So let me open this one. I think I need the scissors. I think I need the scissors for this. Where's my scissors? Oh boy. Okay, so let me open the next one, and then I'll go on to this one. Okay, so this bag contains, okay, so this here, where did I get this from? I think I'm gonna write what this is. I can't remember why I got this. Oh yeah, so this is my broom cleaner. You know, when you have a broom, I use this to clean the gunk from a broom. So this is a broom cleaner. I need it because what happens is that my brooms, they look clean, and then hair gets stuck in it, and it just irritates me. I don't like using my fingers to pull out the hair when you're using combs, brooms. So this is my broom cleaner. So yeah, I really needed that. I also got, this is for refrigerator liners. So I also got some refrigerator liners because I was looking for them, and they're so expensive, and on Temu I get them for very, very cheap. I got so many refrigerator liners and they're reusable. You can wipe them off because the refrigerator always gets so dirty with spills and stuff. So using a refrigerator liner is the best if you want to save your refrigerator. Other things that I got, this is for my daughter. She wanted it. My youngest daughter, she's a pink girl. Anything pink, pink, pink. So she wanted this pink purse. And I got her this smiley face pink purse, which she's gonna use when we travel. And it's so cute. It's really, really cute, really, really adorable. So yeah, so the final one that I wanted to show you that I got, let me see, I don't know where I put my scissors. Okay, so this final one, I'm just gonna rip it open. This is a scalp massager. I got one for me and one for my daughters. So this is what a scalp massager looks like, and this is, you just hold it like this and you use it in your hair to massage your scalp. Very, very nice. So all this stuff that I got are from Temu. Look in the description area, and I'm also gonna pin it as the first comment for you to get your 30% off. Use my discount code and you'll save a lot of money. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you Temu for sponsoring this video. I always love working with them. They're absolutely amazing, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.